We'll see.
Hold on.
Hold on, boys.
I don't have black.
I'm gonna get you black in just a second.
I have more blue.
Yep, hold on.
But I don't make.
You'll see in just a second. Let me get this out, okay? Hold on. Be right back. Stay there.
Stay here. You will come back. You will come back. Don't touch the pin yet.
Let's play it with something else, okay? Hold on. Okay, get it 1 second. Oliver, come back here with the water. That's not a traveling cup of water. That's for your paint.
I'll touch the paint. Mom, well,
Yes, Jace.
he touched my paint.
It's okay. We're gonna give him his own here in just a second. Here's yours. Okay, Oliver, here's some of yours. Move over. Let me get you your own paint, okay?
I don't have to paint it.
You are doing such a good job.
Oh my God.
Oliver, not the scissors.
Hey, my scissors!
I'll wipe it off.
Next week.
No, tonight. Today after we're done. Airplane only, Oliver. Good job. Oliver, what color is this? Can you say yellow? Okay, can you say blue? Okay, can you say red? How about black? Can you say white? Oh, good job. Thanks for trying. Jace's airplane. That's such a good airplane, Jace. You should be very proud of yourself. Wow.
What kind of color are you?
Oh my goodness.
I have to wash my hands.
Okay. It's a really good airplane there, Oliver. Your airplane's really good. You should be proud of yourself, so good. Say cheese. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. So we just got done with our airplane project. Cleanup was really easy. We like to paint on a curtain liner and also use washable paints. So it's very easy, except for some reason, like the blue is like the only color that doesn't want to wipe off. All the other colors came off great, except for the blue. But kids enjoyed it. We got like food. Now they're eating some snacks and just kind of enjoying our morning. And we're going to talk more about airplanes, huh? Jace, do you know what airplanes are used for?
And have those horns on the top, this side, like an asshole.
Oh, what? What do airplanes carry?
People.
People? And did you know they also carry goods?
Huh?
They also carry goods, too.
What good?
Like things that you order in the mail,
Yeah.
or they travel with like packages or different things for different countries.
Or or something big to go down on the bottom.
Yeah.
And that's glue and nothing goes wrong. Very different. I was an airplane. I would fart on the airplane.
If you were an airplane, you would fart on the airplane.
Yeah.
That is silly, Jace. What would you do if you were an airplane? That you guys are so silly. But whenever our airplanes dry, we're gonna take them outside and we're gonna see whose airplane can travel the furthest.
You don't want to catch it.
We'll catch the ground. Will catch it, and then we'll go get them off the ground.
It goes too far.
It goes too far?
Yeah. Where are we gonna find it?
Hey Oliver, pop quiz. Who were the first brothers that flew the first airplane?
Jace.
Jace.
Eat all in the food.
Wait, Jace, who were the first brothers to fly an airplane?
Oliver.
No. Have you flew an airplane before?
I was born on the inside.
Oh, gross. You guys are being so silly. So the first brothers that flew the first airplane were called the Wright brothers.
What?
And I think it was like in 1903. Do you know how long ago that was? You guys weren't even born yet. Mama and Dada weren't even born yet.
You want a different?
Hi.
Mommy, fly
Hi, buddy. Hi.
here.
What's wrong?
Mommy, fly here.
What's that?
We fly here.
Yeah. Mmm. That's yummy. Jason and Oliver have been on airplanes before. Where have we flown on an airplane to?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Yeah. That's where. Who lives in Pennsylvania, Jace?
Kratos.
And Pawpaw.
And Papa and KK.
Yeah, and Uncle Luke. And then we also flew to New Jersey to visit Grandma.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
And Papa.
Oh, and Pawpaw doesn't live in New Jersey.
Papa.
You visit Grandpa. You had a grandpa that lives in New Jersey.
No. We talk about.
We flew to Disney World. Do you remember flying to Disney?
Yes.
And we flew to San Diego Zoo
Yes.
and Mall of America.
And to the Wolf Lodge too.
Yeah, we flew to the Wolf Lodge too.
No, we tried it. Wolf Lodge still here. There's 2 seasons of Wolf Lodge.
What's your favorite thing to do on an airplane?
Jump.
Jump.
No. Like this. Like that.
Oh, that's silly.
I like to fart.
Hey, Jace, come here. Come here.
What
What letter? So we talked about airplanes today, yes?
Yes.
What letter does airplane start with? Good job. Hey, Oliver, can you say the letter A? Can you say A? A. Are your marks? Get set, go. Oh, you win. Yay. Here, Oliver. Here's your airplane. Here, ready? On your marks, get set, go. Oh, whoa.
I'm doing.
Jace wins.
Huh?
You win, good job.
Let's try the other one. Now you try this one. You have this one.
Ready, go. Whoa.
I'm on. Ready?
Got it?
Go.
Wow, Jace. How far can Oliver throw his? Whoa, Oliver, that was good too, bud.
Harder.
Yeah, you did get further, huh?
I win. Like this.
Oliver.
Whoa, that was super far.
Do you see that light up in the sky right there?
Yeah.
What do you think that is? It's moving.
It's airplane.
It is an airplane. Look at that.
It's airplane.
Is it an airplane?
Yeah.
We're about to find. Oh yeah, look at that.
We saw one. It's a different. The plane.
Yeah, look at that plane. Here it goes.